this video, I'm going to show you how to check the PHP version on Bluehost WordPress hosting quickly and easily. If you manage a WordPress site, knowing your PHP version is important because it can affect your site's speed, compatibility, and overall performance. Whether you're troubleshooting a plugin issue or just making sure your site is running on the right version, this is a simple check you should know how to do. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost lists all of the websites connected to your account. So if you manage more than one site, this is the place to begin. Next, find the WordPress website that you want to check. If you have multiple websites, make sure you choose the correct one. After you locate it, click Manage Site. This will open the settings and tools for that specific WordPress installation. Now that you're inside the site management area, look across the top and click the Advanced tab. Bluehost organizes important technical settings here, and this is where you'll find server and configuration details for your WordPress website. Once the Advanced page loads, scroll or look for the PHP version section. This section shows the current PHP version your website is using right now. In most cases, you'll see the version displayed clearly without needing to open any extra menus. If you just wanted a quick answer, that's it. You've now checked your PHP version on Bluehost WordPress hosting, but if you want more detailed information, Bluehost also gives you another option. In the same PHP version section, click View PHP Version Info. This opens a page with more technical details about your PHP setup, which can be useful if you're debugging a problem, checking configuration values, or verifying compatibility with a plugin or theme. This is especially helpful if you're running a WordPress site with custom plugins, page builders, or older themes, because PHP compatibility can make a big difference in how smoothly your site runs. If something isn't working properly, checking your PHP version is one of the first things you should do. So to recap, the process is simple. Log into Bluehost, go to Websites, select your WordPress site, click Manage Site, open the Advanced tab, and then check the PHP version section. If needed, click View PHP Version Info for even more detail. I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to check your Bluehost PHP version. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Bluehost and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.